And good morning, Ron McGowan here with Guaranty RV Center in Junction City, Oregon. Going to give you a nice little video tour this morning of this 2020 Bighorn 39 rear kitchen. This is a fabulous residential unit. You're going to love it. We're going to start with the outside. Large fiberglass front cap that is automotive painted, LED lighting, large front compartment the compartment is generator ready. The front is also set up with outside solar panel access, so you can plug a solar panel right in to that and charge your batteries. Moving down the side, you're going to see you've got a huge front basement compartment here. This is a heated compartment for the winter, so when you're running your furnace, everything is staying nice and warm in there. No mold issues. Large exterior electric awning with LED lighting behind the awning. 2 outdoor speakers. Nice step system, the new step system with a large grab handle coming in. Your control panel is right here, all digitally controlled, and you can also install an app to operate a lot of that stuff right off of your phone. Very convenient. Coming to the back of the coach, you've got a nice dinette table, tons of cabinetry and drawers in this. This is fantastic. If you like to do a lot of cooking, this coach is ready. 4-door refrigerator, upgraded stove and oven, microwave convection, large bowl sink with a pull down handle on the faucet just like residential. Coming into the living area, I mean, you're all parted. It's all a very open floor concept. 2 opposing couches. You've got your theater seating here that have heat and massage on them. Large television with a fireplace that does operate as a heater, and more additional cabinetry. Come on up into the bathroom area. I'm going to let the camera do most of the work, but this is a fantastic bathroom. You've got a one-piece fiberglass shower, lots of space on both sides of the sink, which is very rare. And take a look at all the cabinetry and the medicine cabinet. Tons of space here for toiletry items, towels, etc. Great floor plan. Moving into the bedroom, you've got a large, of course, king-size bed, all LED lighting throughout this coach, 2 air conditioners, great front closet area that is washer dryer all set up. You've got another television here, a bank of dresser drawers right here, TV antenna, digital TV antenna. This is a great residential coach, designed to be lived in, warranted to be lived in. Follow me and I'll give you a little more of the outside. Coming to the outside, you're going to see the nice mag wheels. Coming to the back of the coach, you've got a full extension ladder to get up on the roof, and the coach is pre-wired for backup camera, so you can add a backup camera to the back of the coach. Your power cord hookup is right there. Docking station right up front here, right in the main front compartment area. Everything's located in one convenient spot. Your dump valves, your control for your water, be it your city water or your tank, black water flush, all your cable, satellite hookups, all in one spot. Outdoor shower, water heater bypass for the winter, and to top it all off, yes, it's got a 6-point hydraulic leveling system. This is a fantastic coach. If you have any questions on this coach or any other coach, please feel free to give me a call directly at 541-968-6010 or ron.mcgowan@guaranty.com. Thanks and have a great day.